we have like super nice weather. It's 14 degrees outside and it feels like spring finally here. So I want to go out. I don't know, just maybe to grab some coffee or just walk around the city because I didn't do that recently. I was basically sitting at home last weeks. That's why I wasn't filming. I really wanted to, but I wasn't because of my thesis defense preparation, and I was so nervous and mentally it was really like hard time. And now I just want to really like go back on track and with a slow life before I'm moving back home. So yeah, hope you will enjoy this video. Small walk and I want to make some lunch. I have leftover mashed potatoes from yesterday. Unfortunately, I don't have vegetables, so it will be just mashed potatoes and some meat. I bought it from Lidl. It's just like a meat sticks and it's really nice, and I need to fry them all today because otherwise they will be open for too long and they will probably be bad tomorrow. So yeah, let's make some lunch. Today's super nice weather again, like it should be plus 17 and sunny outside. So I packed my backpack and I decided to travel for a bit. I bought a day pass for Switzerland and I'm going to Canton of Bern, and most likely I'm going to Interlaken, Thun, just to walk around the lakes, maybe go to the castle, hike for a bit where there's no snow. So yeah, I have pretty much time. I have like 8 hours of daylight left. I need to actually go out of the house right now, because my tram will be in 8 minutes. So at first today I was in Thun, but then I decided to go to Lauterbrunnen Valley because I have day pass. I was here before actually, but I decided to visit this valley once again. In summer, this valley should be even nicer because now all of the waterfalls, they're not so visible. But in late spring and in summer it should be super cool. But unfortunately, I will not be here anymore. Yesterday I forgot to finish my vlog because I was literally rushing to catch the train, and then I arrived home and I was so tired that I only had like energy to do some pasta, and that's it. I'm again in my kitchen actually, making some fish now. This is before and this is after. Hope it will be great. Actually, yeah, it will be for sure great because it's a recipe of my mom. Coming back to my yesterday's trip to the mountains, I wanted to say that once again I realized how it is important to change the picture, go out of the city. Even though Zurich is a really calm and nice city, it is really important to go and reconnect with nature. Whenever you have an opportunity to do so, to go and explore, do it. It is really nice and helping with mental health and overall mood.